Hello friends, welcome back. We are studying Advanced Java Programming Unit 2 Swings. In the previous lectures, some advanced swing components we have studied like JTree, JScroll pane, JTable, like these controls. In this lecture number 21, we are going to study another two controls, progress bar, tooltips. Progress bar is a component or control which displays or which shows the progress of the task. Whenever we are performing any task like copying data from one drive to another drive, one folder to another folder, or pen drive to any folder, any system, at that time progress of that task is displayed on the screen in the like a percentage, 1%, 2%, 3%, like this, and that is called as the progress bar control. And tooltip is a small message window which is displayed when our mouse is over the control. These two controls in this lecture we are going to study. First, progress bar. To implement the progress bar, Java Swing provides JProgressBar class. JProgressBar is a part of Java Swing package. JProgressBar usually displays the progress of some specified task. JProgressBar shows the percentage of completion of specified task. The progress bar fills up as the task reaches its completion. In addition to show the percentage of completion of task, it can also display some text. Progress bars are implemented in Swing by the JProgressBar class, which extends JComponent. To implement the progress bar in Swing, we have a JProgressBar class. It provides some constructors of JProgressBar. First constructor, that is default constructor, JProgressBar, which creates an progress bar with no text on it. Second constructor, JProgressBar integer orientation. By default, the progress bar created is the horizontal. Suppose we want to create a vertical progress bar, then we need to provide the orientation parameter. And second constructor is the JProgressBar into bracket integer orientation. Creates an progress bar with a specified orientation. If swing constants dot vertical is passed as argument, a vertical progress bar is created. If swing constants dot horizontal is passed as argument, a horizontal progress bar is created. Third constructor, JProgressBar into bracket integer mean integer max, creates an progress bar with a specified minimum and maximum value. Mean value and max value are provided in this constructor. Fourth constructor, JProgressBar into bracket integer orientation, comma integer mean, comma integer max. Three parameters here provided. Creates an progress bar with specified minimum and maximum value and a specified orientation. If swing constants dot vertical is passed as argument, a vertical progress bar is created. If swing constants dot horizontal is passed as argument, a horizontal progress bar is created. Like these four constructors are used. Some commonly used methods of JProgressBar are also. These are the methods. First method, integer get maximum method, returns the progress bar's maximum value. Integer get minimum returns the progress bar's minimum value. Third method, string get string. Get the progress bar string representation of current value. Fourth method, void set maximum into bracket integer n sets the maximum value to the value n. Void set minimum integer n sets the progress bar's minimum value to the value n. Void set value into bracket integer n sets progress bar's current value to the value n. Next method, void set string into bracket string yes set the value of the progress string to the string yes. Like these methods are provided. Now see the output of the example. Here task completion progress is shown here, and that is this is the control which specifies that, and that is the progress bar. 45% task is completed. This shows the progress of that task. Like this design is done by using the JProgressBar class. See the example. First thing, we need to import some packages. Import javax.swing.star semicolon. Now declare the class public class progressbar example extends jframe open curly bracket. Declare progressbar jb semicolon integer I equal to 0 num equal to 0. Two variables we have declared. Next constructor progressbar example open close circular brackets open the curly bracket for the constructor. Next create the JProgressBar jb equal to new JProgressBar into bracket 0 comma 2000 bracket complete semicolon. Here mean value 0, max value we have specified 2000. Next jb dot set bounds into bracket 40 comma 40 comma 160 comma 30 which specifies the initial position xy coordinate plus height width. Like this components we set the size for that set bounds. Next jb dot set value into bracket 0 initial value we have set the 0. Next jb dot here next jb dot set string painted into bracket true. That is a 45% we have seen in the example output. That is a string painted, and that we need to set as a true. jb dot set string painted is the method which shows the string on it, and we need to pass the parameter true. jb dot set string painted true bracket complete semicolon. After this add this to the jframe, add into bracket jb. Next set size into bracket 250 comma 150 size of the frame. Set layout into bracket null. What are the default layout manager is there that we have cancelled. Set layout into bracket null. Close the constructor. Next one iterate method is there, public void iterate method open this method curly bracket. Next while into bracket I less than equal to 2000 bracket complete open the while curly bracket for while open curly bracket jb dot set value into bracket I initially I is the 0. Next I equal to I plus 20 every time I increments as a 20 after 20. Okay, this is if 2000 divided by 20 it becomes the 100. Okay, then it sets the 1 2 3 4 like this value I equal to I plus 20. Next we have taken this try into bracket thread dot sleep into bracket 150 millisecond microsecond, then close this try catch into bracket exception e open class blank catch method we have implemented here, catch, close the iterate, close the iterate, and this is the curly bracket of which one, progress bar iterate file, it's a close curly bracket of file. Then next public main method, public static void main string args, open this method, open curly bracket, j progress bar example m equal to new progress bar example m dot set visible true, then m dot iterate method, it calls the iterate method. Now close the main method, close the class. Like this we need to write the program for j progress bar. See the output for this. Java C progress bar example dot java, okay, compilation is okay. This is a frame program, so we need to execute by using the java space hyphen cp dot j progress bar example, okay, which shows the task progress. See here, task is executing like this. This is the progress bar example, how progress of the task is going on, and that is the string painted method we have set here true, so that displays the 1 to 100% like this. Okay. This is the progress bar example. Okay, now next control, that is tooltip. Tooltip is a small window of text that displays some information to the user. Okay, tooltip, we can add tooltip text to almost all the components of Java Swing by using the following method: set tooltip text into bracket string yes. This is the method. This method sets the tooltip of the component to the specified string yes. When the cursor enters the boundary of that component, a pop-up appears and text is displayed. Tooltips are small windows of text that pop up when the user leaves the mouse cursor over a component for a second or 2 seconds. They are used to explain the functionality of the component. Tooltips are an integral part of Swing components. They can be specified by calling the setTooltipText method as shown below. Delete button, this is the object of one button. Delete button dot setTooltipText is a method in that string into bracket double quotation deletes the selected grocery item double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon. Like this you can set the tooltip for any control, any component by using the setTooltipText method. Some of the methods provided by tooltip are getTooltipText. This method returns the tooltip text for that component. Second method, set tooltip text into bracket string yes, sets the tooltip text for the component. Third method, get tooltip text into bracket mouse event e, returns the same value returned by get tooltip text. Multi-part components such as jTabPen, jTable and jTree override this method to return a string associated with the mouse event location. Get tooltip location mouse event E returns the location in the receiving component's coordinate system where the upper left corner of the component's tooltip appears. These are the methods provided by the tooltip class. See the output for this. And here we have set the tooltips for each and every control. Whenever my mouse is over the text field, then this small window is displayed here. Enter your username over here. That other thing is a label. That means this is a label. Here you can enter your username like this, and which give the small window, and it is the tooltip for this. See the example. First thing, Java program to create a text area and single line tooltip text to it. Import javax.swing.event.star semicolon, import java.awt.semicolon, import javax.swing.star semicolon, start the class solve extends jframe, open curly bracket, frame declaration static jframe f semicolon, text area declaration static j text area t1, main class public static void main string args, open this main method, open curly bracket, create a new frame f equal to new j frame into bracket title for that frame, double quotation frame, double quotation complete, bracket complete, semicolon, create a object, class object solve s equal to new solve, create a panel object jpanel p equal to new jpanel, create a text area t1 equal to new j text area 20, 20, bracket complete, semicolon, set tooltip to text area t1 dot set tooltip text into bracket double quotation, this is a text area, double quotation complete, bracket complete, semicolon. Now add text area to the panel p dot add t1 into bracket t1, bracket complete, semicolon, add panel to the frame f dot add into bracket p, bracket complete, semicolon, set the size for frame f dot set size 300, 300, now f dot show, or here you can use the method f dot set visible true, like this method you can use also. Close the main method, close the class. Like this program you can write for the tooltips. See the output for this. Solve is our class name, java c space solve.java. Okay, compilation is okay. Out execution, output here. Whenever our mouse is over here, this is a text area, this window is the tooltip for this text area, where mouse overs there, that tooltip is displayed, and this is called as the tooltip. Okay, see the another one example. Java C space Java tooltip example. Compilation is okay, execution. This is the window. Here when over the mouse on username, enter username, like this message is displayed tooltip. For text field we have set also enter username over here, that other thing is a label. Here click this button to make us something happen, like this. For every control we can set the tooltips, and this is the example of also tooltip. You can set tooltip for your programs. What are the previous programs you have written, in these programs you can directly set the tooltips for the controls, like this you practice also. here second chapter overs completes. In the next lecture we are going to study third chapter, event handling. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Or any queries, if you have any query, directly contact me. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.